Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's lesson on practical financial accounting. My name is Dunzo Onwordi. On the screen is my email address. Please use that to email me if you need to clarify any point on today's lesson or require material from me. As usual, we explain our lesson using case studies. Today we'll be going through a lesson that will help us tell which balance account will be holding, whether an account will be housing a debit balance or a credit balance. Then we'll be performing journal entries, how to perform journal entries, and adjustment to account. Basically, on completion of this lesson, learners will understand the group of transactions, journal entry, and adjustment to account. Now, the first point there, how to identify the balance an account will be holding, we'll be using a mnemonic, DLAT. DLAT is a mnemonic that will help us tell which accounts are housing debit balance or credit balances. I will remind you again here that when we're dealing with entry or transactions in accounts, the hint there is to debit the receiver and credit the giver. The receiver being the account that will receive the benefit, and the giver being the account that is giving out the finance. Whilst I'm here, let me quickly explain this again with you. On the screen here is an Excel spreadsheet. For argument's sake, if I want to know what balance a bank account will be holding, so let's call that a bank account, AC for account. With hindsight, I know that bank account is an asset and it will be holding a debit balance. Say we brought forward 5,500 to this account, brought a balance, brought forward. Say this is 5,500. Okay. I will put it on the debit side, which is the debit here, and this is credit. If I want to increase on the debit balance account, what I will need to do is debit the account to increase the balance. Alternatively, if I want to reduce a debit balance account, I will need to credit that account to reduce it. So if I want to increase it for argument's sake by 500, say it's cash from cash account, so I will debit the bank account that is receiving, and I will go to the cash account and credit it for giving that balance. As you can see, my debit will increase from 5,500 to 6,000. Okay. What you need to do is, first of all, to find out where the closing balance will be. If you post the memo account here, this is a memo. Adding these two items together gave me 6,000 here. There's nothing here, so the memo here is 0. To close up this account, I will need to find the difference between these two balances. So if I post to find the difference, I will notice that the difference is 6,000. So the debit is higher than the credit by 6,000. So that's why is showing 6,000 on the credit side. So this credit side will be needing this balance to equate that of the debit side. Now what we need to do is now to post this particular difference that give it allocated to the side that need it to balance. So the credit side needs the difference. If I post it there, you will notice that I'm inserting the balance here, insert balancing figure, which is 6,000 here, that this difference. If I insert it here, you will now see that the grand total are now equal. Okay? So the credit is 6,000 and debit is 6,000. This balance inserted is what we call balance carry down. Okay? We carry it down and we bring it to the other side of the equation on the T account, which will now be balance carry forward. B carry forward. So that's balance that we carry forward to the next period or the next account. This was brought forward from last account. Okay, that's how to do T accounts. Post the entry, insert the difference by checking, having a memo balance to know what the difference is. Then put the difference where they belong, where on the side that needs it, and then balance off the account. Right. That's just a quick one. We'll be dealing with that